Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to ask for help in Heyday. When there is an order you cannot complete, you can ask for help to your friends and your friends can see your call for help and use their item to complete your order. In order to do that, simply go ahead and tap on your order board and then inside orders, select one of the order you cannot complete. After you select the order, tap on this Ask for Help button underneath and you'll be able to ask someone in order to help you with the order. Remember that you can ask up to 3 public help requests plus 1 neighborhood exclusive help request per day. Once someone accepts your request, you'll be able to go ahead and complete the order with their help. That is how you can easily ask for help on Heyday. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.